Hi, I'd like to present my latest book. Energy Project. And few interesting facts that I discovered during the research for this book. So let's see, share screen. This is the website where you can find the book. And let's see a few facts that I researched in this book. So free energy was a reality in the middle of the last century, and it's a reality today. It is just that it's hidden from us. So we have plasma discharge in medieval time Plaza. So these are extracts from books. There were pictures of medieval churches where the glass balls are hanging on the ceiling and the liquid itself glows. Now these balls are empty. You can find one of these type of churches that became a mosque in Turkey, Blue Mosque in Istanbul, Turkey. These were the balls, and there used to be some substances of salt from dedicated shops. Let's see what other finds, what other things I found during this research. Some books explain how much atmospheric electricity can be collected at each height of the church. This information was revisited in the 19th century and 20th century when the information was patented and then hidden from the large public. Balloons were also used to collect electricity. We see the patents. Okay, let's see other finds of this from the book. Something that I was very surprised was that in in 1820, we had 10-seater bus called Infant, which in 1831 began a regular service between Stratford and London. So let's see how it looks like this. It had a boiler on the back of the book. On the back, it was powered by an oscillating engine carried on on a boiler, basically, behind the back of the car, of the carriage. The boiler was vertical and made up of a series of narrow parallel water chambers. A fire was situated beneath the boiler, and the fire was fanned by a below work by engine. 1832-32, we already had carriage built by Dr. Church of Birmingham at the speed of 14 miles per hour. And this carriage where we have pictures of this carriage in the Mirror, the newspaper of the time, 1836. So it's not something that that the public was not aware. Okay, let's see what other things we find on we find that in the past they knew how to collect atmospheric electricity, and there are pictures of these types of capacitors placed on top of the buildings. There were also public, so the architecture of the old building incorporated capacitors and devices that collected electricity from the ether, from the atmosphere. If you look around your city, the major city, where there still exist old buildings, these capacitors are still there. People do not know how to use them because the information have been removed from the public knowledge, from the public awareness. There are so in the past we had there were way to illuminate large plaza, and apparently balloons, this balloon irradiate light. So they had knowledge that was erased from the public awareness. Also the towers that were repurposed as religious shrines were actually piece of technology. This obelisk in 1870 actually produced light. The public piazza were illuminated, probably plasma. or electricity. But there are pictures with this type of lighting. So that is for today. Again, my website, where you can find the book, it's Energy Project. I have 11 books. The Fascinating Teachings of Valiant Thor, Knowledge from Beyond, Egypt Travel Notes, Forest and Tree, Tree and Medicinal Plants, Tree That Heal, Environment and Medicinal Trees, Trees with a Purpose, Forest, Reforestation and Medicinal Trees, and Wisdom Secrets. Most of them can be found in paperback format, some of them only in electronic format. Thank you for watching.